Good idea.
Together did it.
Put your hat back down.
Dude, don't you feel it?
Start clipping.
I've been clipping.
Oh, okay.
Because it's in the way of all these.
Is she ready?
Yeah. Keep your hat on, Amanda.
We have the back coming first. Is that okay?
Yeah, you just turn around when you come in. She's got her hat on over. Leave it on, okay, Amanda?
No. Are you trying to run over Cuddles?
I just don't want to put it in front of the camera. Okay, swing your end out, Jared.
Oh, close your eye. Oh, Amanda, we didn't tell you to go. No, I missed your face.
Okay. Close your eyes again.
Swing your end over, Jared. There
She
you go.
ruined it for me. Can you put it closer to her? Keep your eyes closed, Amanda.
Like this?
Yeah, that's just so we see it.
Cuddles were surprised.
Okay, Amanda.
Cool.
You know what that is?
Yeah.
It's a Barbie house. Can you put your hat back on for your messy hair, please?
Amanda, that's why we want to get rid of the slide. Sort of, I think.
Well, one of the main reasons.
I love it!
You
can
do?
play Barbie with it.
Mama help you set it up with your Barbie furniture?
Yeah. It'd be easier to put things away. Yeah. Just set it up, not
Here, turn that off so you don't get names.